Welcome, pet parents. Today, we are tackling one of the most crucial, yet often intimidating, aspects of pet care: trimming your dog's nails. Done incorrectly, it can be painful and cause bleeding. Done right, it contributes immensely to their overall health and comfort. So, why is keeping your dog's nails short so important? If a dog's nails are allowed to grow too long, they can break, leading to nasty infections and significant discomfort. Even more subtly, overgrown nails force your dog to shift their weight when standing or walking, which over time can impact their posture and potentially cause skeletal or joint issues. Keeping them trimmed is a necessary preventative measure. Before we begin the actual clipping, preparation is key. You'll need two main tools: a high-quality, dog-specific nail clipper, ensure it's sharp, and a nail grinder or file. If this is your dog's first time, or if they are generally nervous about grooming, take a day or two to simply introduce the tools. Let them smell the clippers, reward them for calmness, and make the experience positive before any cutting actually happens. Now, let's move on to the process. First, find a comfortable and quiet location where your dog feels relaxed. Stressing them out will only make the job harder. For dogs that are fidgety, like many of our furry friends can be, it's highly recommended to enlist the help of a second person. One person can gently but firmly hold and reassure the dog's body while the other focuses on the paws. Take one paw at a time. Hold the paw gently but securely in your hand. An important technique here is to press lightly on the paw pad. This action pushes the nail out slightly, making it clearer and easier to access for a clean cut. This brings us to the most critical step: identifying the safe zone. Inside every dog nail is what's called the quick. The quick is the soft, pink, or reddish area inside the nail. This part contains nerves and blood vessels. If you cut into the quick, it will bleed and cause your dog significant pain. Your goal is simple: only cut the clear or white tip of the nail, well away from the quick. If your dog has dark nails, identifying the quick is harder. Look for the small, chalky circle appearing in the center of the nail tip as you trim. That's your stop sign. Always cut small amounts repeatedly rather than risking one large cut. Once the nail has been shortened to the appropriate length, take your file or grinder. Use this tool to smooth the freshly cut edge. This prevents the nail from being too sharp and helps reduce chipping or snagging. Remember to reward your dog immediately after each paw or, ideally, after each nail, with praise or a small treat. Making this a positive association is vital for future grooming sessions. Mastering dog nail trimming requires patience and confidence, but by understanding the anatomy of the nail and focusing on avoiding the quick, you can safely and correctly keep your dog healthy and comfortable right at home. Thank you for tuning in, and happy grooming!